Hey guys, wanna know how to download and install Lorex app on Android? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your phone and then simply head towards Play Store. Once you've clicked on it, go over to the search bar right here and then search up Lorex and then press search, and then right here you can see the Lorex icon. You can just simply click on it for extra info or just simply click install right here. And your Lorex has started to download. And after a while, your app should be downloaded. And here you can see Lorex has been installed. And simply click open. And as you can see, the Lorex app has been successfully installed and you can log in or sign up accordingly to use it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.